What I like about working at Valco Manufacturing is the people I work with every single day. Whether you're having an issue or you just need someone to talk about the information and maybe get a second opinion on to make sure you are doing the right thing, everyone's available to help. They'll go out of their way to assist you, and just the camaraderie between everyone. It's a great positive thing to come to work to. My name is Taylor Paul. I'm a machinist here at Valiant TMS. I've been here for over 5 years and in the tool and mold / machinist trade for about 12 years now. My day-to-day duties would consist of reviewing blueprints, making sure the machine is functioning at 100%, so there's no safety issues. Also making sure we have the right tooling and the right preparation for the job that I'll be doing. I chose to grow my career at Valco Manufacturing mostly because Valiant TMS as a whole is a very global company, very good reputation. It was something that I had heard about for years before I even got here, and now I see why. They take care of you like a family, and your needs are met. My machine work aligns with the customer's standards based off of the fact that we get the customer's prints. Our engineer team goes through it with them before it comes out to us on the floor, and the customer's expectations are delivered at that meeting. I ensure accuracy and precision in my work based off of tools that we have here. Attention to detail and focus is quite key if you're a machinist. Sometimes there's tolerances of plus or minus 1 thou, and that's a hair divided by 3. So you got to make sure that you are going to hit that. And I take pride in knowing that jobs do not come back my way and they go out the door to the customer at 100% conformance. I think nowadays, out on the floor at least, I'm one of the top machinists here, and my work shows that. My advice for anyone who wants to start a career in machining would be to go into it with an open mind. Whether you're running the most high-end or the most low-end machinery, there's so much that you can learn based off a single machine and a single piece of work that you're going to do. You learn something new and grow your skill set based off of each one. Slowly but surely you get better and better and better. If I was going to pass on any information to my younger self who was just starting to get into the trade, I would tell him to give it 100% of your effort and to not let the weight of certain defeats weigh you down. Everyone goes through defeat. It's how you get through that makes you grow. So don't get frustrated, hang in there, and you'll get out through to the other side.